Once again, welcome to the first session of standard costing. In this video, I will explain the basic concept of standard costing. In this introduction, meaning of standard cost, meaning of standard costing, and variances. These points we will discuss in this video. See the first part, introduction. The basic function of management accounting is to facilitate the managerial control in a business unit or organization. The standard costing is that technique which helps management to control costs and business operations. It means we can say standard costing, it is the techniques for the cost control. It aims at eliminating waste and increasing efficiency in performance through setting up standards or formulating different cost plans. Now, meaning of standard cost. A standard cost is defined as a predetermined calculation of how much cost should be under specific working conditions. It means standard cost is a predetermined cost. So what should be the cost of production we will determine before the actual production, and that cost will be known as standard cost. Its main purpose is to provide basis for control. Accountants London defines standard cost as a predetermined cost which is calculated from management standards of efficient operation and the relevant necessary expenditure. So according to this definition, it is a predetermined cost which is calculated on the basis of management standards of efficient operations and relevant necessary expenditures. So now we will discuss the basis of standard cost. It means standard cost based on past cost, engineering estimates, forecasted demand, worker input, time and motion studies, and type and quality of direct materials. So these are the bases on which we can determine standard cost. Now, standard costing. The terminology of cost accountancy defines standard costing as the preparation and use of standard cost, their comparison with actual cost, and the analysis of variance to their causes and points of incidence. The standard costing is that technique which helps management to control cost and business operations. It is a method of cost control that includes a measure of actual performance and a measure of difference or variance between standard and actual performance. It means standard costing is the technique to find out the variance. Variance means the difference between standard cost and actual cost. It means if there is any difference between the standard performance and actual performance will be known as variance. We will find out with the help of standard costing the variance, and if the variance is there, then which are the responsible factors we can find out with the help of standard costing. Now, variances. So if the variance is there, it means if difference between standard performance and actual performance is there, will be known as variance. And these variances are classified mainly into two categories. First, cost variances. Second, income variances. Cost variances again classified into three categories. First, material variances, second, labor variances, and third, overhead variances. Income variances again classified into two categories. First, sales variances and second, profit variances. So these are the variances we will find out in the standard costing. So in this video I have discussed meaning of standard cost, meaning of standard costing and different variances. In the next video I will explain material variances. So thank you very much for watching this video. Again, see you in the next video. Take care. Have a good day.